Yo, hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this King C Gillette, and it's from Braun. Yo, I heard so many good things about this King C Gillette, and it's similar to Philips One Blade, and this one, it's designed to edge, trim, and stubble. Many people said it's fast and precise trim. You can trim up and down, which make this razor really good. Okay, so let's talk about the specs of this razor. Got three guards, okay, and it's full metal blade that lasts for up to 6 months, which is good. Got 360 degrees rubberized grip for maximum precision, and the good thing, it's fully waterproof, so you can use it under the shower when you are showering. And the bad thing, okay, I haven't opened it. The bad thing about this, which I don't like, for me, the run time is too low. Got 45 minutes of run time. Okay, it's a home use stand. After shaving, you can always charge it. It's also okay, but I still need to test this thing out. My beard is not full. I'm not talking about here, so I have to leave it a little bit before I will use this razor. So now let's unbox this thing. Alright, want to open it from the bottom. Normally from the top, but I want to open it from the bottom. Okay, see that? This is the manual. It's a thick one, I guess many different languages. Now, inside the box, you find 3 guards and a machine and a charging cable. Okay, and that's it. Not yet inside, So feels good, man. Feels really good, believe me. Got a small blade, and this blade feels really premium, man. This is the charging port, the power button, and here the logo, Braun, King C Gillette from Braun. And it's a full metal blade, which is very, very good. And how to remove this thing? Okay. If you want to remove this blade, very easy. Not like Solo that I unboxed long ago. This one you need to turn. You see that? And it's written here, I guess. Wait. Yes, you see this line? There's a line here. So you need to turn it, then take it out. Very easy, man. See that? It's good. To put it back on, then turn it. Then you are good. So let's make some sound check. Okay. Okay, but first of all, let me go and charge it. When you are charging it, then it's blinking. So I'm gonna trim down a little bit of this beard, you know, with the biggest one. So let's see how it's gonna be. For me, it's a good one, and I'm not used to this type of trimmer, because if maybe I want to shave through this line, you know, it is a little bit difficult for me. Normally I use something like this, Babyliss or Monster Clippers trimmer, and it's quicker for me. Just like this. You see that, getting that line? You see that? For me to make this line here, I prefer this one. And if maybe you want to shave everything, I guess this one is better, but slower also. Okay, I have to say it's a good shaver, but it takes me a long time to shave with this one than these Babyliss. And another thing that I don't like, charging time takes 10 hours which is for me really a lot. And shaving time, 40 or 45 minutes, which is a little bit less compared to 45 minutes to 10 hours. This thing, it works good, but doesn't work for me.